Okay, good evening, all. Good evening. Thanks a lot for joining. Good to see you all after a long time. Yes, the session, I'm live. So, yes, thanks a lot for joining. Hope you are doing good, Map and Soul. What about others? Now, all are watching me silently. So, let me see and let me search. Good evening. Good evening. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm waiting. Hello, Rahul Kumar. Good evening, brother. Thanks a lot for joining. I'm waiting for still some more people to join, and a very good evening to everyone, right? So good to see you all after like 5 6 days back, right? So the same question I get every time, like, will AI replace, right, the DevOps engineer, right? AI replace the DevOps engineers? This is what the question I get. And even many people tell to me that, is it true that AI will replace? Yes, Chaya, thanks a lot. Hi Raghavendra. Yes, hi Praveen, I want to learn DevOps. Yes, we will talk about that also. Good evening, Shushmita. You all tell me one thing, like, AI will replace DevOps engineer, yes or no? Right? What is your thought about this? Like, we need to understand, like, what is the impact that AI is going to create? What is your thought, by the way? Okay, fine. So, what is your thought? Will AI impact really the DevOps engineers? Yes or no? Okay, all are silent, thinking that yes. Hi, brother. Hi. Hello, bhaiya. Good evening. No, good evening. Yes. So seriously, to be honest, right, AI will not impact anything, right? I think so. Some projects will definitely get impacted due to AI, right? And some things we will discuss also, like once people join, right? Yes. So there is some impact which will be seen very soon, right? But definitely, what we are planning is we are planning to upskill ourselves. That's what our main agenda is, right? So, right. So we will discuss something. So tell me, like, any questions you have before. Uh, yes. So Nasir is saying no. What about others? What is your take on that? Will really AI impact the DevOps engineer? Right, Sindhu. Sindhu is telling no. Okay. So some people are telling no. Some people are telling yes. Some people are telling might be. Right. Thanks. Bye. Okay. Great. Thanks a lot, Ram. Good. Prepare well. Okay. Right. Yes, it will impact. So some people are telling no, it will not impact. So what is the criteria? How do you judge? Right? How do you judge that whether the AI is impacting or not? So let's design the complete flow. I'll be writing some things like how the things are, what is that it will impact or not. Just give me 1 second. I will take my pen tab and I will write something on the paper, and we will discuss probably like what are the things that are going to uh, impact with AI. Okay, so just 1 second, I'll come. Okay, I'm back. So let me write some things for you. Right. So I just wanted to tell you all, like, you always needs to upskill, right? One has to always need to one always has to upskill in DevOps and SRE domain, primarily because the technology or whatever the things, every day it's a challenge for the IT software industry, because some or the other thing will always dominate, right? AI is now a teammate for DevOps. Now this is the best thing, I think. I think people have to tell, right? We will take some Q&A at little bit later, but let me put down my points, like what I think about AI, or what I think, like how we can sustain, like being a DevOps and SRE engineer, what we have to do to sustain basically this AI things. Because if you see, right, Microsoft again laid off almost 15,000, like close to, in this 3 4 months, right? So that is very very much important. So AI impact on DevOps, we will first see, right? So first of all, if you have seen till like maybe 2024, and now we are at 2025, and in this span itself, many AIs have come into picture. Like boom of AI have started taking place, right? And when we tell about boom of AI, different types of AIs. For example, you have Chat GPT, correct? You have Gemini AI, correct? You have Perplexity, right? Which is designed and developed by India, right? This is basically an Indian one. And you have so many AIs that came into picture for every task that human does, right? For example, suppose writing a code, right? For example, editing a video, right? Editing a video, or for example, planning something, right? Or example, finding something, right? These all things have played an important role in the past few months itself. If you see writing the code, the AI will be able to write the code for you, correct? Do you agree with me, guys? Do you agree with me? How many of you agree? How many of you agree, right? AI, yes, we are able to write the code. How many of you think that, brother, I am able to write? Yes, ChatGPT or AI have helped me to write the code. How many of you think that? Yes, Shushmita is telling yes. What about others? Do you think that correct? No, yes. Some things you wanted to tell to me. Yes, correct. So that's very, very important. We need to understand that, brother, like the advantages and disadvantages both are there. And we are using basically AI, which is actually helping us to write the code, right? That's a very important thing which we have to understand, right? So definitely let me take out your comments. So first of all, I will try to understand what you guys are telling. I'll just summarize. So people are telling that AI is now a teammate of DevOps, and some people are telling, yes brother, it has some positives and negatives, and it has helped them to write the code. That is what people are telling, and that's very honest, right? Now when we are trying to see some things here, when I'm drawing something, I already told you, like you have Chat GPT, Gemini AI, Perplexity, and different kinds of AIs where you are writing the code, where you are editing the video, where you are doing something, finding something. So everything is done by AI. So what is the primary factor then why it is impacting our job, right? Why it is impacting our job is basically people or the companies want to save the cost. So that is the only one thing which I am saying. Companies want everything to be faster and everything to be cheaper. And if you open LinkedIn today, many of them would have been posted that they have been laid off from Microsoft. Correct. Just now I was going through the LinkedIn and I was able to see 20 years, 25 years managers have got laid off from Microsoft. Yes. So how you can overcome this, right? How you can overcome this? For example, if you see here, AI plus DevOps, right? So what we are trying to do is, for example, the CI/CD pipelines are there earlier. Now we are trying to integrate them with AI and produce the results much faster and much efficient. Do you agree with me? Correct. Now earlier the pipelines were there. Now what you are doing is you are introducing the AI on top of this pipelines to give you better. I mean, we are always in the race of providing the better results. Do you guys agree with me? How many of you say yes? Yes, definitely. Right. So, yes, so people are talking up with themselves, right? So AI can deploy, monitor, and scale, but it needs us to say go live with confidence. That's again one of the important aspect, which I also feel like yes, that's correct. That's 100% true, right? So people are telling that AI is now correct. So have you seen some pipelines like this where you have something like AI with CI/CD pipelines? Have you seen any projects? Have you seen with this? Anyone? Who wants to comment? Yes, Prathamesh is telling, with rise in AI, what shift will come to DevOps? Will MLOps be the next big thing? Yes, brother, MLOps will be the next big thing as far as I am understanding. AI ops, MLOps, DevOps plus all the flavors, right? Right. If you are able to see here, whatever we are writing, correct, CI/CD pipelines plus AI. So very, very important. So I think that plays an important role. Any other comments do you have? Okay, tell me, have you seen this kind of pipelines anytime? CI/CD pipelines with AI. Have you seen, guys? I'm asking you. If you are silent, I cannot interact, right? Yes or no? At least you have to tell me yes or no. Based on that, I will tell you, okay, this is correct or not. Okay, AI monitored pipelines not seen. Okay, seen or not seen. Have you seen something like this? AI powered pipelines. For example, I will give this a name. Let's say AI powered pipelines. Let's think in this way, right? Now you might have not seen in your current project, but that's the future what people are building. For example, I will tell you one more use case, the scenario 2, right? Where if you have the Kubernetes cluster, right? For example, let's say this is your Kubernetes cluster and you integrate with the AI, right? To auto troubleshoot your cluster, right? So whenever any issue happens, you automatically troubleshoot that. Have you seen this kind of thing in any organization? Okay, screen is not shared. Sorry for that. I will share my screen. Okay. Now are you able to see? Yes. Yeah, I have shared my screen. I think, sorry for that. Right. I think I am sharing my screen. Can you see now? See, the scenario 1 we discussed is CI/CD pipelines with AI, correct? You have a new gen AI technology which is integrated with your CI/CD pipelines, and that's how you generate the better results, faster deployments, efficiency of the pipelines are more. Now, if you are telling that, Praveen, only the CI/CD pipelines will have the AI, no. The scenario 2 is in the Kubernetes cluster, you integrate your AI agents and you work with them on auto troubleshooting cluster. You have the Kubernetes cluster and you are integrating them with the AI agents and you are trying to troubleshoot the cluster automatically. For example, in here, I have deployed a pod. Now the pod is having issue. Now what this AI will do is AI will auto heal. Anyways, Kubernetes has its auto heal feature, but AI auto heals your pod and then the issue gets resolved. Sounds interesting? Yes or no? Guys, tell me, sounds interesting or not? See, in every tech stack, right? In every tech stack, this is going to happen in the coming future. Now, whose job is at risk? Can you tell me now? This guy who was doing the troubleshooting of the pod is now not needed. Correct? This particular position is filled by AI agent. Correct? You agree with me? Here, we can tell that the DevOps engineer who was doing the results faster, efficiency, and all those things is replaced by AI. See, nothing will happen on the night, but eventually, when you are at, let's say, 2025 July, we are at, probably there will be one point in the next year, by the next year, let's say 2026 July, there will be a point where different kinds of AIs will be definitely impacting more job opportunities across platforms. Right now, it has just started. The AI era, we call like AI era, has just now started. But going forward, let's say down the line, 10 months, 11 months, still more AI features. Many people will try to invent their own AIs, right? And always we as a human beings will move towards the better future. Correct. Now, this is the only the two use cases which I have given. One is with CI/CD pipelines, correct? The scenario one with the CI/CD pipelines, and the scenario two is with your Kubernetes cluster. Are you guys understanding what I'm talking? Yes. So people are talking among themselves. Use AI tools for log analysis, Elasticsearch, ML plus Datadog, anomaly detection, Dynatrace, Prometheus, Cube, Prometheus Stack, CI/CD insights, GitHub Pilot. So very good insights. These all things are definitely going to help you. Please explain the future of MLOps. Yes. So, but then how will agent be trained for the cluster which it has been deployed into? Very good question. So this question, let's understand how the AI is getting trained. Okay. Can anyone tell me how this AI agents are getting trained? Can anyone tell me? I am asking you all how the AI agents are getting trained. Any idea? Any idea how this AI agents are getting trained? Anyone has any idea? You can let me know in the comments in the chat so that I can understand few things. Okay, you guys are knowing, not knowing. No idea. No idea. What about others? All are silent now. When I ask you some tough question, you all are silent. What about others? People on LinkedIn? Don't know? Okay, so let me explain you some things here. So see what happens, right? Just imagine, okay, I will tell you very, like in a very easy way, how these AI agents are getting trained. Okay, just understand this flow. You will be able to understand the complete AI work. So when we are talking about this AI, okay, as of now, I will consider this AI is equal to 8 months, or for example, let's say we will say like a newborn baby. Okay. Now tell me one thing, how this baby is trying to learn things, right? Someone is teaching, correct? Or someone is showing, right? Or someone is feeding the data, correct? Or whatever you assume, the newborn baby will see the things and learn, correct? Yes or no? Self learning is there. At the same time, whatever someone is teaching, they will grasp that. Yes or no? You agree with me? Yes, it will learn the patterns, correct? Yeah, I will tell you why we have to train the agent. That I will tell you. It will work on behalf of you. I joined late. No, my question was, Sarfaraz, very simple. Okay, how the AI agents are getting trained? My question was very simple, right? How the AI agents are getting trained? That's what my question was. Like machine learning, it's learning from mistakes. Okay, so you are telling that machine is learning from its mistake, right? You are telling me that. Yeah, I will tell about this also, future of MLOps, but let's understand how this data is getting trained. AI, you can consider like a newborn baby, right? And someone is teaching, showing, or feeding the data. So these all things are there. What we are trying to understand is AI is just like a baby. Okay, the more you train, the more you try to train them, the better they become. So I always consider the more training the AI agents get, right? AI agents get, the better the outcome from the AI will get. Okay, that's it. As simple as that. You train the AI agents better, you get the better AI outcome. That's for sure. Okay. So these things are there. So always you see like people talk about data modeling, right? These are the terms which we use. People talk about MLOps, machine learning, right? People talk about data. What is that? Data hive, right? So they will prepare data clusters and all, and they have something called data training centers, and they have something called AI trained agents or bots. These all things will definitely help you in learning things. Okay, correct. So you understood, right, how these things are coming, like data modeling हो गया या ML ops हो गए या फिर data hive हो गया, data training हो गया या फिर AI trained agents or bots. These all things will impact your data training capacity with AI. So that's what, if you have seen, I have told you in the Kubernetes cluster, when you talk, right, in the Kubernetes cluster, you deploy the AI agent, which is pre-trained, correct? This AI agent is pre-trained and this is fed with the data what it needs to do, like a baby, what it needs to do. Okay. The more you feed the data, the bigger the AI agent is. So one more thing, like bigger the data plus, okay, I will write like this. Bigger the data is equal to bigger the AI capabilities. Correct. So the more the data you feed into the system, correct? The more data you feed into the system, that will be helping you in understanding what is the outcome of the trained bots or the agents. So that is why whenever there is a Kubernetes cluster, you integrate with the AI agents, right? The Kubernetes is there, you integrate with AI, and this AI will help you in troubleshooting, monitoring, whatever you think it will do for you. Do you guys agree? Yes. You guys agree or not? Okay, tell me, whatever you saw till now, do you guys agree or not? Tell me a yes. Okay, tell me a yes or no. Yes or no in chat. I will wait for each and everyone. Do you guys agree with whatever we have discussed? Yes. What about others? Like, why you are silent, everyone? By day, the baby age will be equal to the professional DevOps engineer. Okay, that's very correct, right? Yes. You all agree with me, correct? You all agree? Good. Now, this is one thing that's what I'm telling. See, humans are what? Humans are ultimately like a baby stage. We grew till here, right? And that's how the AI agents will also be same way, right? And for anyone who is asking this one, what is the ML of future, or what is that going to be? Correct. What is that, like the future of MLOps is there or not? Correct. So when we are talking about MLOps, let me put it in this way, right? So a DevOps engineer, right? MLOps future. Let's talk about this. Okay. So all of you see here, a normal DevOps engineer, if you are seeing today in 2025, okay, what he's trying to do, he's trying to escape from coding. You guys agree with me or not? You guys agree with me or not? A normal DevOps engineer, you tell me yes or no. Okay. A normal DevOps engineer is there in 2025. That guy is escaping from coding. And that's why he want to become a DevOps engineer, right? To escape from coding, he wants to become a DevOps engineer. Yes. I have seen many, true, right? Yeah. 100% people want to escape from coding, and that's why they are opting the DevOps as a field. Okay, so just to escape the coding, people want to come to the DevOps, but that's wrong. Now, I will talk about the MLOps future. Very important. Now, see, a DevOps engineer who is able to code, okay, in Python, okay, the DevOps engineer who is able to code in Python eventually will have to learn down the line MLOps, or definitely some AI he has to upskill. Correct? So only DevOps will not fetch. If you see in 2000, let's say 16, when the DevOps came into picture, right? There was no SRE. But by the time, if you see 2019, every company opted SRE engineers. And now, if you see, still now, many companies are having openings for SRE people. Okay. Now, if you see down the line, this pattern of job openings will be converted as a DevOps slash AI engineer or SRE slash MLOps engineer. So future is there, who are doing this Python coding, who are constantly upskilling themselves. Definitely there is a good scope for anyone to become a good engineer. You guys are understanding what I'm telling, right? Yes, absolutely. DevOps to correct. That's what DevOps to DevSecOps. Then DevSecOps transition to MLOps. But for transitioning, MLOps won't take much. No, MLOps will take time. Okay, MLOps will take time. Why? Why? Tell me, like, why MLOps will take time? See, learning machine language is difficult. Okay, it's not like a bread and butter thing which you think. Okay, so let's see, like Prathamesh is telling, so let's say pod is auto healing via AI, but it's not always that solution provided by agent is apt, and if configuration or troubleshooting goes wrong, it can overall uptime. So should we depend on agents for troubleshooting? That's what the future is. Okay, the future is telling you have to depend on agents and AI. Correct. The future is telling us to learn AI, as simple as that. Okay, right? Much time is needed. That's what, right? Much time is needed to learn anything, to upskill anything. That's for sure, right? That's for sure. So ML ops or ML engineers or AI engineers or DevOps engineers all have to constantly move towards the AI. Like they will be like, you have to include in your day-to-day activities. Okay, day-to-day activities. This is for sure, which will help you in understanding things. Okay, got it? Okay, how to start? Now, this is one good question. How to start? First, you learn DevOps. Okay, some people are asking like how you can start with this MLOps journey, or how you can start with AI. Anything. How you can start is basically the basic thing for any DevOps engineer to come to AI is first learn the block. Let's say CI/CD. Let's say Kubernetes. Right. So this is the roadmap. Like this, you learn this. Then from here, right, you learn something else, like in DevOps, let's say cloud. And once you are good with DevOps, you integrate with AI, all those processes and tools and technologies. Yes, excellent. Can I get this in notes? Great teaching, counseling. These are my running notes, to be honest, Benjamin. Right. So I usually don't share these notes outside because everything is on my YouTube channel, right? So it will be available. So you are watching me from LinkedIn, but this is my YouTube channel. You can definitely have a look here. I share various content related to tech and non-tech, and under the live session, you will have this where people are watching me. Okay, so I will share this link with you all. You can definitely have a look at it. Okay. Right? Benjamin, clear? Okay, so I am sharing that link. You can definitely have a look. Okay, so some questions we will take now. But trained from with DevOps engineer for ChatGPT is like a cakewalk, but doing that it may lay off his job. Correct. So anytime it's a win-win feature for win-win thing for everyone, right? Okay. We are Startup India hiring DevOps architect, ML, AI engineer, front-end engineer. Please send your resume. Okay. I'm not sure who is this Babu D, but yeah. Without anything, I cannot show them. So that's the thing. Hiring Babu D. Okay, good. Now, all of you see here, for your information, we have started the batch 12, okay? And the project classes are starting from tomorrow, okay? Very basic sessions, 2 sessions we have completed, that recordings will be available. But from tomorrow, the live sessions are there. So if you are able to see, right, AI, right, in batch 12, we will definitely discuss about AI, little bit of the integrations of the CI/CD pipelines, whatever we can do from our end, we will try to teach you, right? So that's why the main agenda for you all to tell us, like, learn AI also, right? From the starting, like how to code, how to write, how to imagine, how to overcome anything in the AI space, you can definitely learn. And as you are aware, we will cover all these topics starting from Linux fundamentals to Red Hat. Excellent topics are there in RHCSA, to Jenkins, to Kubernetes deployments, to monitoring, to SRE, to troubleshooting, to every guide that you need to have, right? It will be there, and I will be teaching completely, and I'm going to share you every scenario that is being asked in the interview, right? So if anyone is interested to enroll for batch 12, you can definitely have a look here. I'm just sharing the what do you say, like the batch link. You can explore, and you can definitely have a look, like how we are learning, what are the things that we are learning here or reading here, right? So you can have a look, and you can decide accordingly to your interest, right? So anyone who wants to enroll, I see that many of you initially told Praveen how to join your course, like initially, Praveen, how to enroll for batch 12 and all you told. So this is the batch 12 which I have told you, and I am only going to teach you everything. And the projects which you are able to see, as I have told you, we will have DevSecOps, we will have Jenkins monitoring pipelines, we will have Docker projects, we will have Kubernetes, we will have Kubernetes complete monitoring, Argo CD, GitOps, Python programming, Kubernetes custom resource definitions, operators, security, webhooks, Helm charts, monitoring, architecture, Terraform. So everything is included in this 2 months course. So anyone who is interested, please do join. And these all things are under job guidance. You will get it. And if I scroll a little bit down, this all tool stacks, you will get it, right? So anyone who is interested, right, so definitely you can check out. Yes, excellent topics, already joined, done with practice of Linux, great, right? So anyone who is interested, let's say like on LinkedIn, I know like people are watching me, let me share there also, right? So probably you can have a look. If anyone is interested, you can definitely enroll. So this is the batch 12 link which I have shared. You can just have a look. Now I will take some questions, Q&A. Okay, Q&A time. So let's have a Q&A time. And any questions you have, anything you want to ask me, please let me know. I will be open to take your questions now. Okay, any questions? Okay, any questions you have, you can ask me. I will take your questions, and meanwhile, if anyone is interested, you can definitely opt for batch 12. Okay. Right. Live classes are recorded. All are live sessions, brother Abhishek. All are live sessions for batch 12. If you see here, right, there will be something like this. Yeah, live classes. So all the things are live. Can we imagine an AI agent that predicts a broken deployment before you hit apply? So your question is, pipeline is going to get failed before we start apply. So that's a very, very challenging thing, but definitely we can train it. I have joined late. How much will be the fees? Sagri Sabba, the fees is very less. Okay, if you see here, book your seat. It's 4,999, right? And you can compare any course in the market. Very, very cheap price we are giving, and I am only going to teach you. Okay, Duane branch also will looking into the training. Okay, sure. So Chintamani, yes, as I have told you, this question, you have to train a lot for this. Okay, Sachin Kilari is telling, guys, I am from batch 12. If anyone wants to join, please join. Very nice content and notes also. Great, Sachin. So these all things really help me keep motivating. So I'll take a small snap. Okay, so small snap. Yes, very beautiful topics, right? Vikram, as of now, we are not running any discounts or anything. All right. If you have joined batch 7, you will have recorded sessions, right? But if you want to enroll for batch 12, let's say you want to again learn from me on the live part, live sessions you want to learn, you can definitely enroll. Okay, no issues. Yes. So I'm just sharing the batch 12 link to the people who are asking. You can check here. Okay. Any questions? Any other questions? Good trainer. Naveen Nayak. Okay, you all are from batch 12. Okay, so I will I will just take you. Okay, you all are like putting some good things. When can we accept dominance in the development, or when can we expect AI dominance in the development or DevOps? See, AI is already dominating, to be honest, but it's just like to inculcate that for a company, it will take time. Okay, so what is the best approach we have to think is basically you have to plan in such a way that you are going to upskill. That's it. Okay, I have enrolled batch 12 living in Poland. I'm watching recorded sessions, helps a lot. Okay, Dheeraj, you are from Poland. Oh my God, these all comments are really awesome, right? So great. So you are from Poland, watching my classes. That really makes me feel proud. Okay, waiting for tomorrow's class. Good. This is Google CEO from Microsoft. Okay, okay, this is good thing. This is Google CEO from Microsoft. Okay, so this is good thing. Great. So are you planning next meetup in Google Office? Yes, we are trying to have the meetup in Google Office, but yet to get the confirmation, right? And we'll see. Like if everything is sorted, we will plan it accordingly, right? Okay. Any other questions you have, by the way? Any other questions? If anyone has any questions, you can put down on the chat. I am available to answer your queries. Any questions related to your resume, or any questions related to your job hunt, any questions related to your whatever we have discussed in the class, maybe AI impacts, or what exactly we are going to do, how you are going to learn, how you are going to plan things and all. If you want to check, you can check. Okay, so many things we have discussed, right? MLOps future we have discussed. So any questions you have, and batch 12 also I have discussed. So okay, bro, I am from non-IT background. Can I change my career this course? See, Radha Krishna, I have to for sure see your complete background. Non-IT means what are you doing? Okay, so that's very important for me to understand. I cannot simply say like you can transfer to DevOps, right? What are you currently doing? How many years of experience you have? You didn't told me anything, so how can I tell you, right? Hello sir, my offer got revoked before they onboarded us, and over the past few months I am applying for other jobs as software engineer. Can you help me? Should I go for learning the no, see, whatever you have learned, learn it. No issues. Okay, if you are doing front end engineering or software engineering, go with that. If you want to learn along with them DevOps, then join. I don't have issues. But I'm not recommending you to stop them and join. You're getting me, right? Focus mode. भाई फोकस मोड नाम रखे हो तो फोकस करो अपने चीज पे, ठीक है? focus what you are doing. If you have time, if you think that no, this course will help me, then join. Probably I am going to help you for sure. But because you are already starting as a SE, you are already doing all those things. So I don't want to break that point. You do that on your own interest. But if you want to join Bash 12, definitely welcome. Recorded tutorial, no, you have to join live. All are live sessions, okay? All are all sessions are live in batch 12. Okay, this is what Hyderabad meetup is completed. If you have seen my YouTube, we have already completed the Hyderabad meetup. So you can see this Hyderabad video, right? So many students have come in. I can just give you a... Okay, this ad is not sponsored, but yeah. So these all are my students who have come down for the last May meetup. Okay, we had a May meetup. You can check out here. So different kinds of we have called people from all spaces like content creation. Abhishek was also there, and we had various kinds of students from all the zones have come in here, right? And they were part of our meetup. So next meetup, yeah. So next meetup we will plan maybe in August or September, and all the batch 12 people are invited, right? And before this, we had one more meetup in Microsoft only. I think that we had somewhere around yeah. So this one, right? This one was again in February or March. I'm not remembering, but yeah, here also we had very good time. So many people from all over the zones have come in. So, and before that, like many meetups we conduct, like for every batch to batch we conduct, right? So definitely we will try to accommodate you all for the next meetup. Okay, some more questions. How is the class timings? Okay, Ansi is asking the class timings for batch 12. Every weekend, 9 a.m. to 11:30 to 12. So mostly every weekend the classes will be there. And after that, you have 3 days per week classes. So total 7 hours of classes will be there. So weekends, 6 hours, and one day, weekday, Wednesday, it will be 1 hour. So total, you have close to 7 hours of classes. Okay, right. Yeah, so ANSI, I think Raghavendra has told you 9 a.m. to 11:30, it will go till 12 p.m. Okay, right. Can AI affect this field? So what, see, I would say definitely it will impact, but not like complete impact or something. Okay, no. Hi Praveen, I have 7 years of experience in system administrator. Can I keep 3 years of experience in DevOps? I have 4 lakh package. If I get a job, 3 years DevOps engineer, how much could I expect? Okay. So basically, you have very less package. Being the 7 years, you are having 4 lakhs package. If you keep 3 years also, your package should be touching around 9, 10, 12. Payment link will open, Limesh. You just hit batch 12. Okay. You just hit this link. It will automatically open for you. I'm just giving you. Okay. I've just shared to you all. Just check. Okay. Because tomorrow morning we have the class, right? The first project class we have. So it will definitely help you to upskill for sure. For sure, it will help you. Okay. Nilesh, just check this link I have shared with you. It will help you in understanding things. Okay. Right. I'm working as a QC MLDL data checking. Can I be able to crack job into the... You are already into the good platform, but definitely if you want to learn something different, then definitely you can enroll. No doubt in that. How to join the session? Okay. If you have enrolled, you have to log in via this link. Okay. Log in and go to course tab. Okay. You will have all the details, and the other tab is workshop tab. Okay, this is the flow which you have to follow. If anyone has enrolled, I'm just telling the flow. You have to click on the batch 12 link, join, login. Okay, not login. Go to course tab, go to workshop tab. Under workshop tab, you will have all the Zoom sessions. Under the course tab, you will have all the recordings or videos, anything in such way it will be there. Okay. Right. Okay. What's the hardest part of learning AI for DevOps? Choosing tools or real-time integration? Both. Both. Both will be very difficult, right? Okay, Nilesh, what error you are getting? Okay, so here in your case, it will be both, because what tools of AI are best for us, we have to think first, and how we are going to integrate that with our systems, we have to think next. Okay. Right. So I'll be telling one more time, guys. All of you see here, this is the batch 12, which is going to start from tomorrow, like the project classes. And if anyone is interested, you can check out all the data. And we are going to give you certificate of completion. Assignments will be there. Doubt sessions will be there. Your mentorship live classes will be there. And all these things are included in batch 12 along with all the projects, right? You can definitely check, take time, and learn with me. If you are enrolling today, please join tomorrow at 9 a.m. sharp. Okay, you will get all the emails. If you are enrolling from this link, you will get all the emails and the Zoom links to your email IDs, or alternatively, you can check on the workshop tab also. And you can also check the placement stories if anyone wants to see, right? You can definitely have a look. Okay, classes will be on weekend. Yes, classes will be on weekend. I'm in US. How to land DevOps as a fresher? Thank you, thank you. Right, Nilesh, please try one more time. It will accept it, or you can try some different payment method. Okay. Okay, I am a batch 10. I want to join batch 12. Okay, right, Purushottam, I think definitely we will check, right? Uh, Give us some time, right? We will check and update you. Okay. Right. So I think I'm done from my end. If anyone wants to enroll for batch 12, you are welcome to enroll. And I think we have discussed very good things today, right? On AI. Good discussion, by the way, I would say. Like you all have given so much inputs, like the AI impact on DevOps. We have started with this. We went into understanding what exactly it is doing. We then went into understanding this. We then understood some things here. We understood what is CI/CD pipelines with AI, Kubernetes with AI, and rest all things we have seen, right? And slowly we will understand some more things. Okay. So as and when we go ahead, we will try to understand things here, right? MLOps future we have discussed. So someone asked this question: what is the MLOps future? Oh, we have discussed very good discussion. It was like why I'm telling discussions. Yes, Purushottam, we will take care. Just allow us maybe some time, right? Bash 13, no plan as of now, right? Great. Chintamani, definitely do it. It will help you. Okay. It will help you. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining, all of you. It was really nice talking to you all. Anyone interested in batch 12, you can enroll here. We have shared the link. Any issues if you are getting, right? Any issues while you are doing payments or anything, if you are getting, you can email us. Okay. Right. So it was great time talking with you all. I hope you have liked the session today. Friday, it's Friday evening. So please take care and see you all tomorrow. Those who have enrolled for batch 12, tomorrow is the class. Please join at 9 a.m. and I will see you in the live session. Very much excited to learn from you all and teach you all the best things. Okay. Subscribe the channel and support to Praveen. Great. Thanks a lot, brother. It really means a lot. And please understand all the things from various kinds of resources and try to build your own logics onto that. And that's where I will be also helping you in upskilling to the best. Okay. So with that said, I will take a leave today, but definitely I wish everyone, if you have joined, not joined, I wish everyone all the best, right? Prepare hard, work hard, and achieve good results. Okay. Right. So thanks a lot. Please take care and very good night. Yes, thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone. Yeah, please take care. Bash 12 people, we will meet tomorrow. Okay, right. Bye bye.